Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today I've got a bit of a surprise and a shocker. I'm here at Arkabutla Lake in northwest Mississippi, and they are working on, or getting ready to work on the dam for structural failure. And this lake was built back in the 40s, so as far as I know, and you correct me if I'm wrong, leave some comments if I've got my information wrong, but this is the first time that this lake has been drained since its birth 80 years ago. So you can see this is the spillway where the water goes out, and there's only a trickle up in front of it. And I've never in my life seen it like this bad, but it's amazing. I'm going to have some videos and some pictures and clips in here, so I hope you enjoy this. This is definitely a historical event to me in my lifetime, because I came here as a kid and fished here. My dad taught me how to fish here. We've camped here my whole life, and to see this is simply amazing. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. So behind me, way back here, you see the little bit of water. And then as far as the eye can see, where the trees are, way in the back there, used to be all covered in water. And now it's nothing but a beautiful green field pasture with grass growing. It's amazing. But as far as the eye can see, just absolutely amazing. So this is looking towards kind of the southeast of the lake, and this stream of water right here is the original Coldwater river bed that's running this. I like this little curve here. It comes in and curves and then makes kind of like a horseshoe and goes back out. So I think that's pretty cool, but that is the actual original Coldwater riverbed that has been underwater since the 40s. So that is just really pretty cool to see this. It's just absolutely amazing. I tell you, I know this video and the pictures does not do it justice, but if you're in the local area, you should definitely come down there and take a look. There's the dam all the way across. And then you've got the spillway tower. So this next short video, and I think I've got a couple of pictures. This was recent, just a couple of days ago, and the lake looks like it's filling back up. It's probably because of all the thunderstorms we've had popping up, and the rivers brought it down and started filling the lake bottom up a little bit. As you can see at the end of the video, they almost had the outlet turned off. It wasn't much water coming out of there, so they're probably trying not to flood everybody down below. I don't know what's going on, but I think they're going to have to drain that lake again if they're going to work on it. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little update of more recent pictures and videos. So I'm standing in the same spot I did several weeks ago when I first took the part of this video, and it's not bare dirt anymore. It's nothing but grass, and you can tell way out there that the water has been coming up. This was the horseshoe right here, but it's now joined over there, and there's a lot of water way out there, so it's slowly filling back up. But I can't believe that all that grass has come in that quick in a few weeks. But it's still pretty amazing to see this and not see any water in it, because this was if you've ever been here, you know what I'm talking about, and you hadn't, man, this was a huge, pretty good sized lake.